Insurance companies to cover standard treatments for everyone in Illinois. Another bill would require employers with more than 25 employees to provide coverage for the diagnosis and treatment of infertility in women. And a third bill would mandate insurance companies to cover specific fertility treatments if they're recommended by the patient's doctor.
I've had heavy conversations expressing our dreams of having a family while facing financial barriers that limit our ability to preserve our fertility. My friends and loved ones have had to decide between paying off their student loans or even going into debt to afford fertility preservation treatments.
Toro says those treatments can cost upwards of $15,000. Lawmakers also say they hope these help destigmatize seeking fertility treatments.